Brownlow Gifts kitchen scarves are a great way to accessorize in the kitchen. They're attractive and practical, and that dishcloth is always within reach. So handy. It's the perfect companion when unloading the dishwasher to wipe away those stray drops and pools of water that are always left behind. Need to protect your hands from those warm pot handles? The kitchen scarf has you covered. Keep your hands free and your countertops clear of clutter because that handy towel stays right at your fingertips. It's convenient and definitely a time saver when you're working in the kitchen. Brownlow kitchen scarves are durable and strong enough to hold up to the toughest kitchen jobs. And they're also soft enough to clean up your favorite little messes. Choose from a variety of colors, designs, and sentiments. It's the perfect gift.